Imagine walking into a bakery in Paris, buying a croissant, and paying with the same money you'd use for a hot dog in New York, or sushi in Tokyo, or even a camel ride in Cairo. No currency exchange, no confusing conversion rates. No, wait. Why is my vacation suddenly 27% more expensive? Welcome to the world where the entire planet uses one currency. But would that be an economic utopia or the start of financial chaos? Hypothetical setup. All right, let's play pretend. Every country wakes up tomorrow and poof, all currencies vanish. Dollars, euros, yen, rupees, pesos gone. In their place, a single, shiny new global coin. Let's call it the unicoin. At first glance, this sounds amazing. No more wasting money on conversion fees at the airport. No more shady money changers whispering, "Best rate for you, my friend." Global trade would be smoother, international shopping easier, and travel would feel like one giant shopping spree. But hold on. If the whole world runs on the same currency, who controls it? Who prints it? Who decides its value? And what happens if one country spends like a college student with a new credit card while another saves like a grandma with a secret cookie jar fund? Science and economics breakdown. 1. Trade and simplicity. In theory, one currency could make trade between countries much simpler. No exchange rates means fewer headaches for businesses and more predictability in pricing. Imagine Apple building iPhones without worrying about the yen-dollar exchange rate. Sounds efficient, right? 2. The big problem: monetary policy. Here's where things get tricky. Right now, countries control their own currencies to manage inflation, unemployment, and growth. For example, if an economy is struggling, its central bank might lower interest rates or print more money. But with a global currency, no single country has that control anymore. Everyone would be stuck with one-size-fits-all policies. 3. The euro experiment. We actually have a test case, the euro. Many European countries share the same money, and while it makes travel and trade easier, it also causes problems. Greece's financial crisis showed what happens when weaker economies can't adjust their currency independently. Now imagine that issue multiplied across all 195 countries. Yikes. 4. Inequality and tension. Richer, more stable economies might hate being tied to poorer, unstable ones. Imagine if your cousin maxed out 10 credit cards, and the family decided everyone shares the debt equally. You'd be furious, right? That's exactly how strong economies would feel in a global currency system. 5. Black markets and crypto. Even if the unicoin became the official money, humans being humans, some would rebel. Black markets could pop up, cryptocurrencies might rise as alternatives, and entire regions might quietly print their own version of money under the table. Because let's be real, when has everyone on Earth ever agreed on anything? Closing thoughts. So, would a single world currency be the ultimate economic peace treaty, or the fastest way to start World War debt? On one hand, it could simplify life, remove barriers, and unite us under one shiny global wallet. On the other, it could spark massive inequality, political power struggles, and an economic tug-of-war nobody wins. Maybe it's like having one universal Netflix password. First, everyone's happy. But eventually, someone streams way too much anime and crashes the whole account for everyone. Funny wrap-up and audience question. In the end, the idea of one global currency sounds neat on paper, but in reality, it might cause more chaos than convenience. Unless, of course, aliens show up one day and demand payment in galactic credits, then we'll probably figure it out real quick. So, what do you think? Would one world currency make life simpler? Or would it crash the planet's economy faster than you can say exchange rate? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more what-if, brain-twisting scenarios.